Did you know that average home values in Las Vegas have gone up by an average of 8%? For most homeowners, that can equal to the tens of thousands of dollars in free equity in their home. Hi, my name is Dallas Tung from Keller Williams Luxury International, and it's my mission to help homeowners that are considering a move find out exactly what their home is worth in today's market. The reason why I'm recording this video today is because other homeowners in your neighborhood have reached out to do an updated valuation because of these recent market stats. For example, one of my clients recently reached out to me to find out, what their home was worth and was able to sell their home in 10 days without any stress and pocket over $100K by using over our proprietary homeowner advantage process. If you want to find out exactly what your home is worth in today's market, it will only take me a couple minutes to walk you through the process. Click on the link below and we will see you on the other side.